Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Show. Today, we're diving into the incredible 2025 Honda Motorhome, a game-changer in the world of recreational vehicles. Honda has taken their reputation for reliability, innovation, and efficiency to the motorhome market, blending luxury, technology, and performance into one compelling package. Let's explore what makes this the ultimate companion for your next adventure. First up, the design. Honda's signature sleek and aerodynamic styling shines here. The 2025 Honda Motorhome features a modern, streamlined silhouette that reduces drag, improving fuel efficiency. With its bold LED light design, a striking front grille, and a sturdy, lightweight aluminum frame, it's built to turn heads while standing up to the rigors of the road. Inside, it's all about comfort and versatility. The Honda SmartSpace layout optimizes every inch of room. You've got a cozy queen-size bed, a convertible dining area, and a fully equipped kitchenette with an induction cooktop and compact fridge. Plus, the motorhome is packed with premium materials, soft-touch surfaces, sustainable fabrics, and plenty of natural light, thanks to those panoramic windows. Honda hasn't held back on tech. The 2025 Honda Motorhome comes with a centralized touchscreen control system to manage lighting, climate, and even water usage. Staying connected is easy with 5G internet capabilities, and there's an integrated entertainment system with a 4K screen and surround sound, perfect for movie nights under the stars. Now, let's talk performance. Powered by Honda's hybrid engine technology, this motorhome delivers an impressive balance of power and efficiency. With a 2.0-liter hybrid engine and an all-wheel drive system, it's ready for highways, mountain roads, or even light off-road adventures. And for the eco-conscious traveler, the solar roof panels help power the motorhome's essentials. So, whether you're planning a cross-country road trip or a weekend getaway, the 2025 Honda Motorhome is your perfect travel companion. With its cutting-edge design, thoughtful features, and legendary Honda reliability, it's redefining life on the road. Ready to take your adventures to the next level? Let us know in the comments what you think.